All right, so this video shows how to install a printer on a MacBook. This is true for all MacBooks and all operating systems of MacBook. Um, some older operating systems, they probably won't have driver support on the internet. But for general and most operating system and the versions of Mac, this is true. If your printer is on a network, you need to find the IP address of it. You need to go on the internet, type the model number, and see how you can find the IP address of that printer. This is true for printers that are usually in an organization, institute, and if you're working there, they have a domain. So printer is usually on the network. You need to print the user data list from the printer, and that will have the IP address. In this case, this is the IP address of the printer. First things first, we're gonna go to Google. We're gonna type the model number and then gonna type driver and download the driver of the printer. Scroll down, click on software and driver, select the operating system, whatever operating system and software version you have. Click on download and install the software. Once it's installed, we're gonna go into the settings. Once in the setting, you're gonna click on printer and scanner. You're gonna click on plus sign. If you want to delete a printer, you're gonna select the printer, click minus sign, delete the printer. If you want to add a printer, you're gonna click on the plus sign. Then you're gonna click on this IP option, type the IP address. In this case, it's 10.8.16.9. And then you're gonna click on line printer daemon. So you click that, change the name of the printer, and then select the driver of it. So you're gonna click on use, select software, and then scroll down. You can filter it out or you can find the model number of your printer. I have IR80B 400, so I'm gonna select that. Click on add. Since I'm not on the network currently, it's probably gonna give me an error. But if you're on the network, it should not give you an error and it should let you install the printer. While setting it up, it's gonna give you an option if you want it duplex or not. So select that option and just continue. And it should let you install the driver on your MacBook. If it's see, it's giving me an error. So I'm just gonna click continue because I know I'm not on network, but it still installed the printer for me. If you have a cable printer which you are trying to connect to your computer using a USB cable, that is even easier. You just have to connect to the computer using the USB, and then you need to probably install some software. For most of the printers that I have used using the USB cable, they don't even require you to download any additional driver. And it's just you plug it in and you can just start using it. But if they require you to download any, and if it doesn't work, you send a printing job to the printer and it doesn't print anything, then most likely your driver is outdated. So you need to type the model number of the printer on Google and download the driver, the latest driver for the printer, and then it should work.